to archive posts on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to archive posts on Instagram. So first of all, just simply open your Instagram profile, and after that just simply click on the profile section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen, and over here you will have all your posts that you have posted in your profile so far. So for example, you want to archive any of these posts from your profile itself. So just simply go ahead and select that particular post that you would want to archive. So for example, I want to archive this particular post right here, and from there just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the post itself, and over here you will be able to see the option called archive. You just simply have to tap on it, and after that this particular post will be archived and it will be saved in your archived section, that from there you can access it later on. So this is basically how you will be able to archive post on Instagram. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.